The Indian aid worker Father Alexis Prem Kumar, who was kidnapped in Herat province about 3 days ago. Now, there are fresh leads emerging in the case. The Afghan media reports are suggesting that one of the suspected kidnapper has been detained in this case of abduction of the Indian national. The interrogation of this kidnapper is currently underway. That's the news we're getting at this point of time. The officials have added that the Indian aid worker, who is Prem Kumar, was visiting a project site when unknown gunmen abducted him. We have Aditya joining us with more details on this case. Aditya.
Well, absolutely. At this moment, the big breaking news coming in that one person has been arrested. He is a suspected kidnapper of the Indian national. This is a breakthrough that has been achieved by the Afghan police and the intelligence agencies, and we are trying to collect more information because Herat governor himself this morning had told Times Now that there could have been some kind of a lead, some kind of a connection with the Pakistani state, really Pakistan, some kind of involvement. But is it the Lashkar-e-Taiba or the Taliban that is involved in this particular case needs to be seen and probed at this moment. But certainly some breakthrough has been finally achieved with the arrest of this one of the suspected kidnappers, and we are told that the Afghan police is currently interrogating that particular person to ascertain where the kidnappers are at this moment. It is important to state that it has been almost 48 hours since the kidnapping took place of Alexis Prem Kumar, 47-year-old, who was working with an international aid group. Of course, he is from the southern part of India, and the family members had been continuously appealing to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and also the Indian government to intervene in this matter. Now, the Ministry of External Affairs has told Times Now that they are continuously monitoring the development. In fact, the Minister for External Affairs, Sushma Swaraj, herself refused to comment on this particular case this morning, saying that it is an evolving situation. She's personally monitoring this particular case, all the developments that will lead to hopefully the secure and release of this particular person, Alexis Prem Kumar. But certainly some kind of a breakthrough for the investigative agencies and some welcome release for the Ministry of External Affairs with this particular arrest. But it needs to be seen if the kidnappers are really, the main area is pinpointed by the Afghan police in the next few hours.